Hi, John here, the flippin' idiot, and I made myself a giant brick separator. You ever had trouble getting your kids out of a Bricks and MiniFigs store? If only there was a way to pry them out. Okay, for cutting the hardboard, I'm just going to throw in my trusty super beat up 7 1/4 inch blade. So we are tightened up here, we're unlocked over here, and so we're ready to cut. Okay, so speed is of the essence here. So I'm going to do the trick where I put a little bit of real glue. Oh God. A little bit of real glue on the wood for wood stuff. And then I'm going to do a little bit of CA glue. I'm going to put the accelerator on there. Try to center it. And then that's locked on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to repeat that all the way down the line here. Okay, so I have to figure out the good side. That's probably the good side. I have to use the glue again with the super glue trick because I can't get under here, and I think these are too thick for. Maybe they're not. I got some 2-inch nails. So maybe I will try to shoot them on with my my awesome rigid 18 gauge nailer.